Italian-Pakistani Chamber of Commerce has been doing a terrific job. We are working very closely together, and now I can also announce that we will have soon a fully fledged director of the Italian Trade Office. So as far as bilateral trade relationship are concerned between Italy and Pakistan, we have a full team, and this reflects also the value that and the emphasis that Italy places on Italo-Pakistani trade. ITMA is the largest textile machinery trade fair in the world. So it's very important that it is located in Milan this year, and we expect a few thousands people from Pakistan coming. So it's a very big event, and we hope it brings further improvement in trade between Italy and Pakistan. It's a great pleasure for me to address you tonight at the ITMA presentation in Karachi. So this year, as you all know, ITMA will be hosting Milan.
Be a part of ITMA 2023 and transform the world of textiles.
Milan, as you know, is the economic capital of Italy and is one of the main clusters for the textile sector. The other clusters are all located in northern Italy and central Italy. I can quote the city of Bergamo, of Biella, of Brescia, of Como, of Prato and Vicenza. They're all beautiful cities, and I invite you to visit them along with your family. So do business, but also do some tourism, and watch out, because you're going to grow too much fond of Italian food. So Italian textile machinery companies are situated in the ancient textile tradition in Italy, where an exchange of experience with end user offers a strong impetus to the constant technological upgrading of machinery. I'll give you some figures about the Italian textile machinery industry. So first of all, in Italy we have approximately 300 companies who produce textile machinery, and the sector employs a total workforce of around 13,000 people. The value of Italian production was in the last year of 2.4 billion euros, with export worth 2 billion euros. The main destination of Italian exports of textile machinery was Asia, with 42% of exports, followed by other extra-European countries, while less than 20% of exports are sold inside European Union. Pakistan is among one of the most important markets for Italian textile machines. In 2021, the value of Italian export for Pakistani market was 134 million euros. In 2022, according to data by ICE, in the first 3 months we registered a value of 70 million euros. The most requested kind of Italian machines are the finishing ones, 46% of total export, followed by spinning machines, 35%, and accessories, 18% of the exports. The distinguishing characteristics of Italian textile machines are composed of a skilled workforce that ensures a high quality of products, the dimension of Italian companies that allows a quick response to the need of each customer. This is very important after sales services. The flexibility and versatility of a customized production for satisfying the needs of each customer, and the high technological level of the supply due to the constant attention paid by Italian companies to R&D activities. The process of internalization and the vocation for innovation in the sector allows Italian companies to consolidate and further improve the leading position of Italy in the world textile machinery industry. Overall, textile machines are a very important component of bilateral trade between Italy and Pakistan. As you know, the trade between Italy and Pakistan has been constantly increasing in the last few years, and it has almost reached $2 billion, the total of imports and export. Our trade balance is generally quite even. As you know, as Italy, we export textile machines, but also Pakistan exports a lot of finished textile products in Italy. Italy being the second most important market in the EU after Germany for Pakistani textile products. So Italy is also a great supporter of the EU-Pakistan free trade agreement that benefits both countries. A lot of work has been done to promote bilateral trade between Italy and Pakistan. There is also a very big Pakistani community in Italy, especially in northern Italy, that plays an important role, but very important role has also been played by IDC, and I must personally thank Arich for his efforts and his hard work that has been graced by the official chrism of the Italian Chambers of Commerce. So our progressive transformation and institutionalization of IDC is progressing. And I also must thank everybody at the consulate, because success is never been achieved by a single person, it's always achieved by a team. So thank you very much. We have Mr. Raffaelli here in person from Italian consulate. We have Anna, there is Arun also over there. So, and rest assured that we'll do our best also to process as fast as possible the visa request. We have arranged with Jerry that also would like to thank this special corridor, and please feel free to reach me if any major problem occurs. Thank you very much for being here. Thank you very much for promoting trade between Italy and Pakistan.
IDC has been around for a number of years in Pakistan, और IDC का पर्पस और एस्पिरेशंस जब से वो फॉर्म हुई है वो यही थी कि वो इटालियन चेंबर इन पाकिस्तान का दर्जा हासिल करे। इसके काफ़ी मराहिल हैं, बिकॉज़ इटालियन चेंबर सिस्टम जो है वो ग्लोबली एग्जिस्ट करता है, और वो एक इटालियन चेंबर सिस्टम आसो कैमरेस्तरो है जिसका पार्ट किसी भी इंटरनेशनल चेंबर को बनना होता है। और इस साल हमें आसो कैमरेस्तरो ने रिकग्नाइज़ किया है, और अब हम फॉर्मली इटालियन चेंबर इन पाकिस्तान बन गए हैं। मकसद और जो ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं आईडीसी के वो वही रहेंगे। पिछले कई सालों से हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव यही है कि हम इटली और पाकिस्तान के दरमियान बायलैटरल ट्रेड को इन्हेंस करें। इसमें जितनी फैसिलिटेशन हम पाकिस्तानी बिज़नेस कम्युनिटी को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं और इटालियन बिज़नेस कम्युनिटी को प्रोवाइड कर सकते हैं वो हम करते हैं। हमारे मकासद में ये चीज़ मौजूद है कि हम इटालियन कंपनीज़ को पाकिस्तानी काउंटर पार्ट्स के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन दें, इंडस्ट्रियल रिसर्च डिफरेंट सेक्टर्स पे प्रोवाइड करें, और B2B मीटिंग्स अरेंज करें। टेक्सटाइल जो है वो पाकिस्तान का सबसे बड़ा एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड सेक्टर है, और इस सेक्टर में इटली का एक बहुत वाइटल रोल है। इटली कई सदियों से टेक्सटाइल मशीनरी के लिए दुनिया भर में नोन है, और कई दहाइयों से पाकिस्तान में भी उसकी टेक्नोलॉजी और नो हाउ यहाँ पे लोगों को जो है वो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट्स बनाने में सहूलत फराहम कर रही है।